Good morning. We're making some croissants.
Why are we having a dance party with a croissant?
He's got his hands locked easy this time. Look at that.
Big takedown coming. He waited too long. He should have slammed him already.
Well, slam it down, why don't you? And we're dancing again. Good gravy. I'm honestly speechless. I didn't think you needed that much butter. Gosh dang, you just spilled half the milk. What is she making on the side quest here?
And the croissants are sourdoughs, they're gut healthy.
I hate to break it to you, but you're pumping them full of sugar. Those are not gut healthy.
It baked up perfect.
You already know what's about to happen.
Any questions?
Yes. Are you going to finish that croissant?
Knock yourself out.